So I'm just going to quickly duplicate. I'm just going to quickly duplicate, bring that up. Then I'm going to hide one. Just make this other one visible. So there are so many ways for you to crop, but yeah, I think one of the easiest ways for you to use the tool called right here. It's called background eraser tool. So I'm just going to click that, and then I'm going to put my settings. I'm going to put my settings on 65, and then my hardness, I'm going to reduce my hardness, and then my spacing, I'm just going to leave my spacing at 60, and then I'm going to set my limits at discontinuous, and then my tolerance at 100. So I'm just going to zoom in. Sorry, I'm just going to zoom in now. Then I'm going to erase the background. Yeah, one more thing. This, you have to tick this, and then you go down here, and then you pick the color of the background of the hair that you don't want to disappear. You don't want to erase this. You don't want to erase this with the erase tool. So I'm just going to pick color right here. I think this would something a bit darker. I think, yeah, this is okay. So I'm just going to clean now. Just, oops, that's a bit too much. So I'm just going to clean. I'm just going to clean all that. You can see all that hair is just disappearing. So you can still see some hair, right? I know, but you can see like a lot of this hairs are still there. So I'm just going to reduce my brush. I'm going to go in and define it more. Just going to do that. So for me to do that, I'm going to reduce tolerance. I'm going to reduce the tolerance. I'm going to reduce the tolerance a bit. Then I'm going to just go in there. Just take it away. What I actually really needed was all this other hairs. This one that's just standing out. That's like the main ones. So I'm just going to, that's like my focus. So I'm just going to use my tool to take away this other sections of the hair. Just going to do that. And this other section of the hair. Now I want to define it properly. So I'm going to pick my erase tool again. I'm going to further increase my tolerance. And of course, I'm going to increase my hardness. I'm going to be hard on this. So I'm just here deleting. I'm just taking away this extra white that you can see right here. Yeah, of course, let me just quickly, this is like just a fast one. So I just want to take that away. That's pretty fast. And then I want to go back to my erase tool. This one, erase, and erase the size. See what happens, yeah? See what happens when I take it in. I don't want to do that. I just want to keep it at the edge right there. So I'm going to reduce my brush. I'm going to reduce my brush, and then I'm just going to reduce my brush. So just reduce the brush, and I make it more defined. I'll take away all of this excess stuff right here. So I'll just zoom in. And then, so yeah, I want all this extra strands to just show. So you can still see a little of this extra strands, yeah? So what next do? I take my bond tool, and then I want to burn it. I want to burn it. So just maybe choose my shadow. Oh. And move this. So mid-tone. So my mid-tone right there. So that's what I want to burn right there. Just making it dark, taking away this blue away, just taking away the blues. Taking away the blues. Then so let's zoom out and see. Voila. So that's basically what you do. You want to still add some blue, some darkness, some dark shades right here. Just do that. That's about it. Just go around again. Not perfect yet. They're not perfect yet. Again, and then yeah, there you go. That's one way, one tricky way to go about it. So you still